How to get notes on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get notes feature on Instagram. As you know, if you open up Instagram app and head into the chat section there, you'll find the notes option there. Now if you don't find it there, or if you're not being able to do so, all you have to do is update the app. Simply head into your Play Store or App Store. You can see here I'm on my Play Store. Simply searching for the update, searching for Instagram first, and if your app isn't updated, you'll get the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. However, if you don't get the update, then what you can do is force the update. Now to force update, simply scroll down your notification bar and then tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll be heading into settings. On settings, scroll all the way down below and head into apps. Now on apps, what you need to do is from the search bar here, search in for Instagram. Now once you search for Instagram, open it up, scroll down, head into stories here, and at the bottom of the screen you'll find the option delete data. Simply tap on it and then tap on this delete option. What this does is it'll delete your data, particularly files, settings, accounts, databases, everything on the app itself. It will be as good as uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So do this and then simply head into Play Store, and this might help you get the update. And once you get it, you can update it and you'll get the notes feature. So this way you can get notes on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.